Example 7 is, once again, a simple interest problem. So let's start with the formula. A is equal to P times 1 plus RT. And then let's read through the problem and identify our variables. It says a loan in the amount of $850 is charged simple interest. Okay, so the loan amount is $850, so that's P. That's how much was borrowed, or the original principal. The loan is repaid 11 months later. Okay, so T is 11 over 12. Remember, T is always in years. And it's repaid in the amount of $913.85. So the amount that's repaid, or the accumulated value, is 913.85. And then we are asked to solve for the interest rate in this problem. They don't tell us the interest rate. They tell us the duration of the loan, the amount that was borrowed, and the amount that was paid back. But from that, we can calculate the rate. So, plugging in the values that we know, we get 913.85 is equal to 850 times 1 plus R times 11 over 12. Okay, so there are a few different ways to solve this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start by dividing both sides by 850. If I do that, I have 913.85 divided by 850. On the left-hand side, I have 1.075117647. I want to be careful about rounding too much, so maybe I overdid it a little bit there, but I want to be careful. So that's what I get on the left-hand side, and then on the right-hand side I have 1 plus R times 11 over 12. Okay, so the next step is just to subtract 1 from both sides. So this is what I get on the left-hand side, and then on the right-hand side I just have R times 11 over 12. So now, to solve for R, I need to get rid of the 11 over 12, which means I need to multiply both sides by 12 over 11. Whoops. 12 over 11. So if I do that, if I carry out that calculation, I get that R is equal to, let's see, times 12 divided by 11. I get 0.081946.524. Okay, now I need to be careful here because, so that's R, but if I read the problem, it tells me that I am supposed to give my answer as a percent rounded to 2 decimal places. So what I have here is a decimal. If I want to give the answer as a percent, I need to move the decimal places over 2 spots. So the interest rate is going to be 8 point something percent. And I'm also asked to round it to 2 decimal places, so I'm going to get 8.19 as my final answer. 8.19%. That is the interest rate that was charged on this loan.